Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show some step-by-step process how you can easily withdraw crypto from Uphold to your account on Exodus. So I'll just open Exodus here on my browser. I mean not in my computer. So what you need to do is this. First thing first, when you're going to be on Uphold, click from and choose account that you want to withdraw from. So maybe you don't have Bitcoin here, you have something else. I have Bitcoin, so I'll just click Bitcoin. Then you need to click on where you want to actually transfer it to. So not Bitcoin network, not cryptocurrencies, not equities, not national currencies, crypto networks, and you want to find a pair here. So I have a Bitcoin, so I'm going to click Bitcoin here. Let's click on a Bitcoin. Right then, when you have it, what you need to do is click, choose what amount you want to transfer. This is a fee. Then click preview withdrawal. I won't be able to access it, but you need to click preview withdrawal, and there would be your address where you need to insert it. So what you need to do is click on a wallet on Exodus, receive, and copy the address. And when you're gonna click preview withdrawal, you want to insert the address right there. And that's how we do it. Pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty straightforward. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.